What if you could have an assistant that not only listens, but thinks, plans, and acts on your behalf? What if this assistant could book your trips, manage your tasks, and solve complex problems while you focus on the big picture? Well, blink and you might have missed it, because that future is here with Agentic AI. I'm Penny with Jotform, and in this video, we're going to discuss exactly what Agentic AI is, how it works, and how it's different from the AI you might already know, and how businesses like yours can use it right now. We'll even look at some real-world examples and peek into where it's all heading. Let's jump right in. So, just like every area of technology, artificial intelligence keeps advancing at lightning speed. You might be familiar with chatbots and customer service bots that can answer basic questions. Those have been around for a while, but Agentic AI takes this way further, giving businesses tools that can handle complex tasks almost like a top-performing human assistant. So, what exactly is Agentic AI? Think of it as a super smart helper. While generative AI gets lots of buzz for writing content, drawing pictures, and making music, Agentic AI is quietly transforming jobs behind the scenes. Unlike a typical chatbot that's programmed to answer simple questions, an AI agent can carry on in-depth conversations, pull in information it's learned, and even find new info it needs to help you. It uses human-like reasoning to recognize problems, remember what it's learned, plan how to tackle a job, and even use other tools to get it done. Agentic AI builds on what generative AI started, but pushes it into new territory. So, how do these two types of AI really differ? Well, picture generative AI as an artist. It makes beautiful things when you tell it what to do, but it needs clear instructions for every step. Now, think of Agentic AI as your proactive assistant. It doesn't just follow directions, it figures things out and takes action. So instead of telling it every detail about a flight you want, an Agentic AI could look at your calendar, pick the best travel dates, find a good deal on flights and hotels, and book it all for you. The main differences come down to purpose and use cases. Generative AI's whole point is to create stuff, text, pictures, music, even code, based on your prompts. It's trained to make new things that look like the examples it's learned from. That's its main job. Agentic AI, on the other hand, does tasks by itself. It automates processes, streamlines your workflow, and solves problems in real time. It can even use generative AI when it needs a creative boost, but at its core, it's a doer, not just a maker. So, where do businesses use each? Generative AI is perfect for businesses that want to create numerous emails, summarize big piles of content, or write product descriptions faster. It's great for producing content at scale. But Agentic AI steps up when you want something more sophisticated. Imagine an office worker delegating a task, like hiring a new team member. An AI agent could check incoming job applications, read resumes, shortlist candidates, build portfolios, and schedule interviews on your calendar. No human needed for the grunt work. Now, let's break down the main types of Agentic AI, because they're not all the same. There are 4 big categories: generative information retrieval agents, prescriptive knowledge agents, dynamic workflow agents, and user assistant agents. Generative information retrieval agents can search for up-to-date data. So, instead of being stuck with only what they were trained on, they grab fresh info as needed. A good example is an advanced customer support bot that can pull the latest product details right from your website while chatting with the customer. Prescriptive knowledge agents are best for industries with lots of rules, like finance or healthcare. These agents know the rules inside out and can make sure tasks follow them exactly. They use all their deep industry knowledge to think through problems, make decisions, and fix issues in line with regulations. Dynamic workflow agents, also called action agents, specialize in building and tweaking workflows. Say a customer wants to return a product. This agent can set up the return process, adapt it based on what's happening in real time, and repeat steps if needed to get the best results. They're extra powerful when combined with other agents. User assistant agents are the friendly helpers people work with directly every day. They can chat with your customers, manage your calendar, handle invoices, and adjust to how you like things done. They learn your preferences and get better over time, making your day-to-day work smoother. Now, let's look at some real-world ways companies are using these smart agents. Software developers are getting a big boost. They're using AI agents to write and test code, build new software, and check for bugs automatically. Marketers love them too. They can create personalized shopping experiences by analyzing what a customer bought last. They run marketing campaigns and tweak them to get the best results. They also process huge amounts of customer data to spot trends and give marketing advice. In law, AI agents save tons of time by digging through massive document piles to find the information lawyers need. They can review contracts, help write them, and even predict how cases might turn out by weighing the strengths and weaknesses. Finance pros count on them for fraud detection, risk checks, building new financial products, and even making smart investment suggestions. Manufacturing teams use AI agents to keep production lines running smoothly, predict when a machine might break down, and make sure the products meet quality standards. And there's one more big area: communication. No matter what industry you're in, you probably use forms to collect information, set up appointments, gather donations, or capture leads. Now, AI agents can turn filling out a form into a conversation that's actually helpful and pleasant. Jotform's own AI agents do exactly that. You feed them the info you want them to know, and they can ask and answer questions while they fill out forms for your customers. With Jotform's AI tools, it's super simple. Pick a form, train your agent with some documents or web pages, then tweak it using the agent builder so it fits your needs. You don't need to write a single line of code. In minutes, you have a customized agent that collects data and talks to customers for you. Looking ahead, AI will be doing even more amazing things. Imagine AI agents managing traffic in busy cities, creating personalized lesson plans for students, or helping scientists find patterns in data and making big discoveries. Of course, this all comes with responsibility. People need to build AI solutions that stay secure, transparent, and in line with human values. They need to use strong control systems to keep these agents trustworthy and safe. After all, letting machines make decisions for us is a big deal. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm Penny with Jotform. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you next time.